So this is a short video clip just to show you the whole Thimphu city down there. You can also see the Buddha point. It's amazing view down there. And this is a whole team from Bhutan Tour. And you see, you have collected so many trashes from the forest. And then we did our own contribution, did our own share. And so these are our team. And that's how Thimphu looks like, and it's beautiful. And I must say this, that people who ever hiking here in this forest with the beautiful view of whole Thimphu downtown, please do not throw your trashes in the forest. You should take your trashes back home. And look, this is how much trashes that you have collected from this trail. It's more than 6 kilometers, I guess. And we started around 1 o'clock, and this is towards 5:30 right now, and we took such a long time just to collect the trashes all from the forest. And look, that's the whole Thimphu city, and I must say this is an aerial view of Thimphu city. And that's the early learning center, one of the school. And over there is the Buddha point, which I wanted to zoom and show you there. So that's the biggest Buddha statue that you could see from here. That's a beautiful hiking trail too.